When I was a kid, superhero comic books had the coolest things hidden in the pages towards the back. One of my favorites was the ad for X-ray glasses. It claimed that you could see through walls, hands, and just about anything. Of course, I don't know if the glasses worked because my mother, for some crazy reason, refused to give me the money to buy this obviously ingenious device. Well, now, Adam Yamaguchi is here to tell us that seeing through walls is a reality.
There's a lot of technology available to see through things, such as X-rays, radar, even thermal imaging. But for the most part, the devices delivering that technology aren't built for consumer use. But an innovative Israeli entrepreneur has taken the complexity of 3D image sensors using radio frequency waves and shrunken them down into small antennas that work with an app for your smartphone, giving you instant superhero vision to see through walls or look for buried treasure. I flew to San Francisco to meet Raviv Melamed, the CEO of Vayar, the Hebrew word meaning to see, to check out their latest creation called the Walabot.
What does a Walabot look like?
Okay, so what you see here, this is the inside of the Walabot. This is the engine, right? So this is the chip that we've developed. It's a very sophisticated chip that creates all the signals that we transmit and receive.
All of that Superman power is in here.
In this little guy over here, yeah. And these are the antennas. There are multiple of signals, hundreds of signals actually being transmitted and received. We analyze them and create the image.
Okay. And then it all fits into this little shell here.
Yeah.
Radio waves have a longer wavelength than light waves, so they can penetrate dense objects. The Walabot's antennas transmit radio waves through a surface where they bounce off hidden objects in close proximity, like pipes behind walls. This process is called near-field imaging. By downloading an app and connecting the Walabot to your smartphone with a USB, you're ready to start looking behind your walls.
So here you see an image, an RF image, a radio wave image of the pipe inside. Okay. Different pipe. We look almost the same.
Raviv used the Walabot to scan the wall of the room we were in.
So this is a sort of application that anyone who's going to do work in their house can find utility in this.
Exactly. You can find your leaking pipe. You can find your electrical wires, studs. Even if you have pests, you might find them too.
But the Walabot doesn't just look behind surfaces, because its signals can also be used to keep an eye on kids and seniors in a smart home by tracking their motions, scan the heart rates of cardiac patients, and monitor breathing for those with sleep disorders.
As you can see, it tracks my chest, basically. And see it going up and down, that's my breathing while I'm talking to you. And if I stop for a second...
It's flattening out.
I'm gonna breathe again. Thank you.
Raviv made Walabot's technology available to anyone to spur further app development. Examples include tumor detection, search and rescue, and collision avoidance with cars. And you may remember I mentioned searching for buried treasure.
Okay, I see a giant blob.
Giant blob?
Is it like a sea creature?
Maybe. Closely.
Huh.
We found gold.
Wow. Buried treasure.